Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Ka St Edmunds College Shillong, ya ke bala seng Snem khat khandais pa pule, kala plie perdai ke jingrakhe ke Jingdap shisa Snem, ni ke Centenary celebration, ha ke tarik Naiwieng ha phyllaw katei ke kolej. Ha katei ke sngi la ya don lang myntri badai peit ya ke tnat pule puthi ke jylla Ma Lahkmen Rymbui bala long ke kongsan lawan ban ya don ryngkat lang da chairman barim ke UPSC Prof David R Syiemlieh principal ke St Edmunds College Dr Sylvanus Lamare ki brother jong katei ke college ki principal ki kolej bat skulbah bapher ke jylla ki nonghikai ki nongtrei bat ki khana pule ke St Edmunds College Shillong bat ki wei ki nong shakhot ngobha shakatei ke jingyalang lapen ipo iping ya katei ke jingrakhe dap shispa Snem da ki jingrai bat jingshat na ki khana pule bat ru lapen ko buram ya ki nongtrei ki bala shakri Snem ha katei ke college.
Type of thing which happened in St Edmunds teach me. Not only that, St Edmunds as an institution teach each and every one of us to be able to stand on earth. World is full of challenge. My dear student, nowadays many youth, they are telling that life there is not much opportunity. Life is plenty of opportunity. Whoever thought that 1.5 years of COVID would open so many avenues for the people to explore, for the people to venture. It is all in the mindset. So St Edmunds teach you, give you the best education, and that education you get here open a horizon of thought for you to explore. That is the most important thing. Education, if you are BA honors in political science or in subject, should not confine your thought only on political science. It will empower you to think beyond. Whoever thought that until and unless you prepare yourself, it is very difficult to meet the challenge. Whoever thought that the Grand Old Ambassador car, where you have to wait for 6 months to get delivery, and in few years when Maruti come, just vanish. Because why? It could not withstand the competition. So St Edmunds has teach you. Education give you how to be competitive. Prepare yourself. And one more thing which you should remember, that there is nothing inferior or superior, which I try to be more careful. When I appear my final exam, BSc, science have appear in the afternoon, arts and commerce in morning. So, on the last day, the general foundation course, because I make a habit of never to copy routine, so at around 11:15, I thought, what I will do at home? I'll go to college. When I reach college, when I reach Bapher fuel station, I meet my friend. He has just returning back. I told, where are you coming? He told, I'm coming from exam. I told, he's my classmate. How come he come from exam? Then when I reached down shop, my elder brothers and all, they're all very happy. Why you are so happy today? Last day of exam is over. I told, exam is over? How come? I'm going for exam. Then, you told, we haven't finished. I told, no. Then about 20-25 of them, we all come here to meet Brother D'Souza to allow me to appear for the exam. He told, no, it's already 12. How I will allow you? I told, I have not seen the paper. I didn't see anything. And all my friends, they Garawi and about 100 of students come and told Brother D'Souza that you have to allow him. And last, Brother D'Souza, he told, only 1 hour in my chamber. So it is a general foundation course because that time general foundation course is common.